Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, I want to share with you the secrets to glowing skin. Over the past 6 months, I've been experimenting with different products, skincare brands, and techniques to work out which deliver me the maximum radiance boost and glow up that I've craved. Through that trial and error, I've really been able to hone in on what are the very best products and how to apply them for maximum benefit when it comes to increasing luminosity and vibrancy in the skin, no matter what your age, your skin type, or your budget happens to be. I want to share these amazing products with you in today's video and also the best ways to incorporate them into an existing skincare routine. So sit back, relax, and let's talk the secrets to glowing skin. Now, before we get into this video, I would like to issue one big caveat, and that's to say we are talking about glowing skin in today's video, not perfect skin. Because in the words of James Welsh, perfection doesn't exist, and it's always worth remembering that. I think sometimes when we look in the mirror, our eyes are drawn to any imperfections or blemishes that we might have, when actually the world and the people around us see our smile, the glow emanating from our skin, and that glint in the eye. These are the things that draw everyone to us, rather than the blemish or the imperfections that we have. So always bear that in mind. For me, this has been a bit of a journey. I've been working on increasing the vibrancy and luminosity in my skin, and I want everyone to be at maximum skin confidence and glowing to the gods no matter what age they happen to be. So keep that at the forefront of your mind and sound off in the comments section below with any personal recommendations for that glow up enhancing products that you'd like to share with us. Hopefully, if you enjoy this style of content, you also want to give this video a big thumbs up and a like. It supports me in the channel so much, because the more likes a video gets, the more widely YouTube will distribute it on its platform. So it's just a wonderful way of helping as many people as possible discover our fabulous Mad About Skin family. So from the bottom of my heart, I'm sending you all so much love. Now, with all that waffle out of the way, shall we cut it and just delve straight on in? And like I say, this has been a little bit of a journey through trial and error and the products that do and don't work for me. Any good skincare routine will always start with an effective cleanse. I tried cleansers that had active ingredients such as vitamin C in, and honestly, I was underwhelmed. I think that's because they only really sit on the skin for a maximum of 60 seconds. How much benefit are you really getting from those actives? Probably very little. So when it comes to cleansers, I keep it super simple. What you want to be looking out for is one that matches your individual skin type, doesn't leave you feeling stripped, dried, or the skin too tight after you've used it. I've shared with you some of my favourite cleansers based on individual skin types in a recent video, which I'm going to leave a link to up there. Any one of those will deliver amazing benefits in your skincare routine, but I would say keep it super simple. Any cleansers that are promising that instant glow up are just fooling you and duping you out of your hard-earned money. I think the glow comes from the other products I'm going to come onto in this section of the video. So you've cleansed the skin, you've got it prepped and ready to receive the rest of the products. So the next step in a glow enhancing skincare routine should be a really good exfoliation. Now, if I look back a couple of years ago, I used to exfoliate every single day, and I went for the strongest, highest concentration possible. I learned through to the detriment of my skin that was not the right way forward. Around 8 months ago, I actually switched from glycolic acid to a lower strength lactic acid, and my glow game went through the roof. I think this is proof that when it comes to exfoliation, little but often is the key and the way forward. Take it down a notch every day probably isn't going to work for most skin types, and also reaching for the highest concentration could just exacerbate dryness, redness and irritation in the skin, all things that are going to get in the way of your glow. Reach for something super gentle like this little favourite of mine, which is the ordinary lactic acid 10%. They actually do it in a 5% too, which is even better if you have any pre-existing sensitivity in the skin. This has been so good, and I would say use it 3-4 times a week, absolute tops, because that way you allow yourself to get all that radiance boost from a good exfoliation without also increasing the risk of any side effects, sensitivity and irritation. More recently, I've been experimenting with exfoliating acid blends. These are formulations that combine multiple different types of exfoliating acids, but again, in low concentrations. I think this is going to be the future of exfoliation because you get a more all-round experience. And some of my absolute favourites are these two products. This is my own brand. This is the Mad About Skin Exfoliating Gel, which combines low concentrations of glycolic, lactic, salicylic and kojic acid, all together alongside some hydrating and soothing botanicals to give you a more robust all-round exfoliation. By reaching for a blend, you can achieve multiple different goals from one product, such as eliminating any blackheads and congestion, smoothing the skin out, tackling hyperpigmentation, and just giving the skin an all-round radiance boost. You don't need to shop my brand, of course. You could always reach for this, which is another holy grail. This is the PSA Goals Serum. So this combines glycolic, lactic, and polyhydroxy acids in, again, a relatively low concentration. It's also got some wonderful antioxidants in here and botanicals to hydrate you to the gods, increase the vibrancy and luminosity in the skin, and just smooth everything out. Whether you reach for a multi-acid formulation or just keep it super simple with the ordinary lactic acid, I think any of these products will prove in the long term that gentle is key. key. Go for a lower concentration than you normally would be inclined to do so. Use it less frequently, and I promise you, your glow game will go through the roof as a result. So once you've got the skin exfoliated, you're then going to want to move on to your vitamin C. I think when we're talking about glow and radiance in skin, everyone's minds automatically go to vitamin C. And I would definitely recommend you use your vitamin C straight after your exfoliating acid, because vitamin C gets to work, penetrates better in a low pH environment. So with that exfoliator used first, you're kind of setting the vitamin C up with everything that it needs. There are two different types of vitamin C. You can either go for a pure form ascorbic or L-ascorbic acid, or you can go for a vitamin C derivative. For me, I like to combine the two. So a couple of times a week in the morning, I will use a pure form, an ascorbic acid based product, which I think delivers a little bit more enhanced glow and also quicker results. Every single evening, I use a vitamin C derivative, and I think, sometimes we forget, as long as one of the components is a derivative, you can use that vitamin C twice a day. I wouldn't recommend using a pure form ascorbic or L-ascorbic acid twice, because I think that could deliver too much sensitivity and irritation. But a gentle derivative can be the perfect complement to a real high potency vitamin C serum. For my morning vitamin C fix, I usually reach for one of these three products. Let's start with this. This is the Allies of Skin 20% vitamin C brightening serum. So this is a little bit on the expensive and bougie side, but honestly, I've been using this, getting great results. So I think sometimes we can pay more in order to get more, and this is a stabilized form of vitamin C, which I love. It's really frustrating when you reach for an ascorbic acid, and after a couple of weeks of using it, you notice it started to turn a brownish color and oxidize. That means it's going to be less effective. You don't get that with this product because it's stabilized and it lasts for quite a long time. It's also formulated with some great hydrators. If you find vitamin C quite drying on the skin, this will offset that, and you've got some other antioxidants to boot. 20% is a relatively high concentration of vitamin C, so you get very quick results with this. But because of the way it's formulated, you don't get a lot of side effects, the redness, the peeling, the irritation. So this is absolutely a fantastic product. If you wanted something a little bit different for your skincare routine, you could reach for this. This is the PSA Light Up Flash Brightening Mask. I've mentioned this so much on the channel because I love it. This is an 11% ascorbic acid, so half the strength of the Allies of Skin one, but again, gives you really great results. And why I love this is it's actually a wash-off treatment. You put a layer of this on the skin, leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes, you wash it off, and then go on with the rest of your skincare routine. It's something a little bit different. It feels like a treat. It goes onto the skin as a beautiful gel. If you see the colour of that, isn't that absolutely stunning? And it just blends so well into the skin. It's formulated with shea butter and other hydrators, so you'll get zero dryness from this like you can from some vitamin C's. And it just feels so luxurious. It's like a bit of a spa day at home for like 5 or 10 minutes on a morning. It's not going to be for everyone, because you do have to remember you have to have time to commit to this one, as it is a wash-off treatment rather than one you'll leave on. But definitely, if you're looking for something a little bit different, this I absolutely adore. If you want to keep it super effective but at a drugstore price, then I would reach for this. This is the Geek and Gorgeous C Glow Serum. This costs a fraction of the cost of the other two products that I've mentioned, but you'll still get amazing results. You get a 15% concentration of vitamin C alongside some great antioxidants to like double down on the protective nature of it. And that price point is just such an amazing draw, and one of the reasons I love Geek and Gorgeous. So this isn't stabilized the way that the Allies of Skin one is. However, this is made in fresh batches every single week, so you know when you put this on your skin, it's not been sat on a dusty warehouse shelf oxidizing before you even get it. It's super fresh. So I think this is a way of minimizing the risk of oxidation in the long run by getting a vitamin C that is made just fresh for you every single week. And this I recommend all the time. When it comes to my vitamin C derivative for my evening skincare routine, I reach for this. This is the Mad About Skin Got You Covered Super Serum. Now, I formulated this really with my evening skincare routine in mind. I wanted a product that was fairly comprehensive, had a range of active ingredients, but was gentle enough to use alongside any of my other favourites. This has a 5% concentration of a vitamin C derivative, which is super gentle, means that you can use it in your evening skincare routine when you might have used a high potency ascorbic acid in the morning. It just doubles down on the benefits and the glow that you're going to get from your vitamin C, and whilst it will take a little bit longer to see those results than with a pure form ascorbic or L-ascorbic acid, it's fantastic because it doesn't leave you behind any sensitivity, redness or irritation. If you wanted to get your hands on this to try it out, have left a discount code in the description box below alongside where you can purchase it, so check that out if you want to save a little extra of your hard-earned coin. But that's the derivative that I've been using and works beautifully alongside some of those higher potency products that I use in the morning. So at this point in the skincare routine, I think you've already nailed in your glow up for the day. I think the exfoliators and the vitamin C's are the most important and core components of a glow enhancing skincare routine. So at this point, you can then follow with any of your other favourite serums and actives that you want. I love to layer peptides, some additional antioxidants, maybe some tranexamic acid if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation. It's really up to you and tailoring it to your individual skin's needs. But if you want a little extra glow in your life, there's two other things I would do. First and foremost, before every serum you apply, I would give a little spritz of a nice hydrating mist. All water-based serums apply better onto damp skin, so not only will you get a little extra bang for your buck in terms of the serums and what they'll deliver, but also it just traps in some of that hydration. The more hydrated the skin is, the more plump it'll look, the more dewy, the more glowy. So this is a great way of kind of getting that instant cheat and fix. My three favourite mists for doing this are these. This is the Hylamide Sub-Q Skin, this is the Geek and Gorgeous Liquid Hydration, and this is the Soul Sister Fresh Skin Facial Mist. All of them hydrating, calming, soothing, and you can use them between each of your serums to get a little extra bang for your buck from those serums themselves and to lock in some fabulous hydration to give that instant dewiness and glow up. Now finally, let's come on to moisturisers. I know a lot of people will say moisturisers, like cleansers, should be kept really simple and basic. You don't want to pack them full of actives because you should be getting all the actives you need in your serum steps for your skincare routine where they derive the most benefit. However, if you want to just in the long term increase the amount of glow and luminosity in your skin, look out for a moisturiser that contains urea. Urea is a fantastic ingredient, like a true unsung hero. The reason I absolutely adore it is it's a humectant, so it draws in and retains moisture within itself, again giving that bounce and dewiness to the skin. It also softens protein, so if you notice that your skin has a bit of texture, a bit of roughness to it, you want to smooth all that out, urea could be a really great addition. The smoother our skin looks, the more reflective it is, so the world around us can see and appreciate our glow. The product that I reach for urea fix is this. This is my Mad About Skin Maximum Impact Moisturiser, but you absolutely can use any other brand out there because lots of brands do now formulate with urea, which I absolutely love to see. So this is a good concentration of urea, which over time will just help hydrate the skin, but also soften and smooth everything out. If you want a real cheeky hack for getting that instant glow without having to wait for those long-term results, mix a couple of drops of this, the Boots Glow Dewy Serum, into the Mad About Skin Maximum Impact Moisturiser. And honestly, it will be that instant glow up we all crave. This has like light reflecting particles in it, but it's super natural looking, so it doesn't look like you're wearing an all-over highlighter. It's just a great way of giving you a glow up in an instant and walking out of that door with maximum skin confidence. So there you have it guys, a rundown of the products, the techniques and the skincare routine to deliver you maximum glow up and radiance no matter what your age, budget or skin type happens to be. I want to say just a big thank you to each and every one of you that's taken the time over the past month to compliment me on my skin and on my glow game. This has been a bit of a work in progress, but honestly it does mean the world to me. I think sometimes when we put ourselves out there on the internet, everyone's entitled to their opinion, but sometimes we cling on to the negativity more than any of the positivity, and just the love, kindness and support that each and every one of you shows me does genuinely mean the world to me. So hopefully I can pay that forward by just sharing with you a few hints, tips and hacks to help you get maximum skin confidence no matter where you happen to be. Wherever you are in the world guys, stay safe, stay well, I love your skin. Take care, bye!